Ever wonder how massive skyscrapers stand tall against the relentless force of gravity? Welcome to the Essential Guide to Structural Engineering. From the ground up, we are breaking down the complex process that turns visionary architectural dreams into solid, safe, and physical reality. It all starts beneath our feet. Before a single brick is laid, engineers must analyze site conditions and the stability of the soil. This critical data determines if the ground can support the immense weight and pressure of a future landmark tower or heavy bridge. Back in the office, the professional team gathers to translate this site data into detailed blueprints and comprehensive structural plans. Next, we move to the digital drawing board. Using advanced software, we create 3D models to visualize the building's internal skeleton. We map out how forces like tension and compression act on the frame, ensuring every beam can handle the expected loads. This ensures energy travels safely from the roof, through the beams and columns, and finally, deep into the foundation of the earth. Material selection is a science in itself. High-quality steel I-beams provide the flexibility and strength needed for skyscrapers to sway slightly. Reinforced concrete adds massive durability, while modern carbon fiber composites offer lightweight resilience for the most demanding architectural designs. Every material choice is a balance of strength, durability, and safety, chosen to protect the building from the elements for decades. Before construction begins, we simulate the unthinkable. We test how the structure reacts to extreme wind loads and seismic activities. Technical diagrams and heat maps reveal hidden stress points, allowing engineers to refine their calculations for absolute maximum safety. Now, the design comes to life. On-site execution requires incredible precision, as every measurement must match the engineering model exactly. Watch as workers tie intricate rebar cages, creating the internal strength for the foundation before the liquid concrete is poured. The smooth flow of concrete fills the forms, solidifying the base of what will soon be a towering achievement of human engineering. High above the ground, ironworkers bolt massive steel frames together, working with bravery and precision to build the skyward structure. Every single connection is a vital link in the building's skeletal system. An inspector carefully checks each bolt and weld for quality. Quality control never stops. We conduct rigorous load tests, using hydraulic jacks to ensure the concrete slabs can handle the pressure. Engineers perform final walkthroughs with digital tablets, verifying that every detail of the construction matches the original safety specifications. In structural engineering, safety isn't just a guideline, it's an absolute priority. We build to protect lives and secure the future. From a simple sketch to a majestic landmark in the sky, structural engineering remains the invisible backbone of our modern world. It is where the laws of physics meet human creativity to build a world that lasts. Structural engineering builds the future. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring, stay curious, and keep building the world around you. We'll see you in the next one.